Interpreting Google Analytics segments is a crucial skill for digital marketers and analysts to understand their website's audience and behavior. To start, it's essential to understand what segments are. They are subsets of your data that allow you to isolate and analyze specific groups of users. First, access the Google Analytics dashboard and navigate to the Reports section. Click on the Segment drop-down menu at the top of the page and select a predefined segment, such as All Users, or create a new custom segment. To create a custom segment, click on the New Segment button and define your segment criteria, such as demographic, behavior, or traffic source. For example, you can create a segment for users who have purchased a product, or users who have visited a specific page on your website. Once you've applied a segment, navigate to the Reports section to analyze the data. Look for key metrics such as bounce rate, average session duration, and conversion rate. Compare these metrics to the overall site average to understand how the segment behaves differently. For example, if you've created a segment for users who have purchased a product, you may notice that this segment has a lower bounce rate and higher average session duration compared to the overall site average. This indicates that users who have made a purchase are more engaged with your website. To further analyze the segment, use the Secondary Dimension feature to add additional columns to the report. For example, you can add the Device Category dimension to understand what devices the segment is using to access your website. Best practices for interpreting Google Analytics segments include regularly reviewing and updating your segments to ensure they remain relevant, using multiple metrics to get a comprehensive understanding of the segment, and taking action based on the insights you've gained. By following these steps and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of Google Analytics segments and gain a deeper understanding of your website's audience and behavior. This will enable you to make data-driven decisions to improve your marketing strategy and optimize your website for better performance.